Hello friends, welcome back for another science experiment. I got my scientist Tristan here with me. We're going to do another little experiment that hopefully you'll be able to do at home. But remember, always ask mom or dad before you do an experiment. So for today's experiment, we're going to look at the three states of matter again, which Tristan, what are they?
Solid, liquids, and
The one you like to do all the time.
gas.
A gas, you're right. Whew, stinky. So for today's experiment, you need cornstarch, which again is a baking product. Probably your mom or dad or somebody has in their kitchen, but again, make sure you ask. And then a glass of water. And so you'll also need a bowl to which we can mix it in and a spoon. And you'll see I already put a little bit of cornstarch in my bowl. Our scientist Tristan's going to put a little bit of cornstarch in his bowl. And again, there's not exact measurement. You're just going to put some in there. Maybe a little bit more, Tristan. You can always use your spoon to help get it out if you feel like you're going to get too much.
Enough?
Yep, that's pretty good. And then we're going to take a little bit of water and just mix these up until they get almost like a soup consistency. So I'm going to pour a little bit of water in there. And scientist Tristan, you can go ahead and start mixing your bowl. I'm going to mix mine. It does get harder to stir as you're stirring it. So make sure you get all the pieces on the edge and the bottom, Tristan. Make sure you get all that mixed in. If you can't stir with a spoon, you can always use your fingers. But again, you want to make sure you get mom and dad's permission before you start digging too deep into it.
That good?
That's pretty good. I'm going to put a little bit more baking soda in mine because I've got a little too much water into mine. But what's happening is I had a solid, which was the baking soda, and I poured it into my liquid water. And Tristan, what did it make?
A gas?
Did it make a gas? Remember, gas typically float around us.
Yeah.
So is it floating out of your bowl?
Liquid.
It made it into a liquid, right? It looks like a liquid. In fact, Tristan, if I hold your bowl up, it sloshes around just like a liquid. Let me finish getting mine mixed up here. And again, you're going to see mine did the same thing. Mine went right into a liquid. So what's the magic of this experiment? It looks like a liquid, it moves like a liquid, but if I try to punch it, it's a solid. Tristan, try punching the top of that. No, try punching the top of mine. Can you really stick your fingers in it?
No.
You sure can't. There's a resistance there. It's went from being a sloshy solid to now it's hard. And then actually I can reach in. If it's hard, I should be able to pick it up, right? And I can't pick it up, but you'll see right in front of your eyes, it turns right back to a liquid. So it's changing states of matter right in front of your eyes. So Tristan, try to punch it again. Can you get your fingers in it?
No, kind of. Not really.
Not really, right? Try to grab some out of there. Now keep it over the bowl so that we don't make a big mess. It just melts in your hand, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's cool.
Isn't that neat? It's a solid, but then by the moisture and the heat of my hand, it immediately turns right back into a liquid. It's a pretty messy experiment though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So again, you want to make sure you get mom and dad's permission before you ever do any of this on your own. All right, guys, keep tuning in. We'll keep posting the videos. Take care. We miss you.